Hi kids! Welcome to Coco Mo Kids TV! Let's have fun and count numbers together. One little duck is swimming in the sea. Two little cats are playing with a ball. Three little birds are singing by the wall. Counting up to 10. Let's all count again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers are fun in heaven. 4 little frogs are jumping on a log. 5 little bees are buzzing in the fog. 6 little stars are shining in the sky. Counting up to 10. Let's all count again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers are fun in heaven. 7 little flowers are blooming in the sun. 8 little puppies are running just for fun. 9 little apples are hanging on the tree. 10 little friends are smiling at me. Counting up to 10, and let's all count again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers are fun in heaven. Hi kids! Good! Let's sing our ABCs together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! Babe is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat, she says meow. D is for dog who barks bow wow. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims all day. G is for goat, he loves to play. H is for hat we wear each day. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for juice, sweet in my tummy. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. Roar! M is for moon, shining bright. Gun is for nest where birds sleep tight. O is for orange, round and fun. P is for penguin who likes the sun. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, warm and bright. D is for train, chugging all night. Choo-choo! U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, making sweet strains. W is for whale, swimming free. X is for stumbled, 1, 2, 3. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, black and